What's going on, guys? Chris here with Tactical Outdoorsman. Today we're out at the range. Now we're going to be taking some shots at the Caldwell steel we have behind me, and I'm going to be testing out the new Mirzon grip frame for the Sig P320. So let's get some shots downrange, and then after that we'll get over to the tabletop and we'll talk about this guy. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're talking about the Sig P320 enhanced grip module from Mirzon. Now I met the owner Yuri over at SHOT Show in January, and he was nice enough to give this to me on the spot to take home and to do a review with, so thank you, Yuri. So let's talk a little bit about the grip module. So this is going to work with all of your versions of the Sig P320 with the exception of the subcompact. So this will work with your compact, with your full size, with your carry, your X carry, and your X5. So good to go with all of those. And it will fit in any of the existing holsters that are out on the market. So if you have holsters already, you don't have to worry about it not fitting. You're good to go there. Alright, another thing is your slide catch here. It'll work with the Gen 1 and the Gen 2, so if you're worried about that, good to go. It's intended to be used with the Gen 2 17 and 21 round magazines. If you have a Gen 1 magazine, there are ways around that. You use them, just go check out the video from Mirzon. They have an FAQ video. It'll tell you how to do that to save some money or spend relatively little money to be able to accommodate the Gen 1 magazines. Alright, this also will accommodate the grip weights for the X5 and the mag well for the X5. So if you have those and you want to put them on here, you're good to go. So let's talk about some of the features on this frame. You have the front slide serrations here, as well as serrations under the trigger guard. Okay, those are good for your index points, for your thumb, and for the bottom of your hand when you're gripping. Okay, you have an enhanced serial number window here. That's for the M17, so if you have one, that'll accommodate the serial number for you. You have the beavertail on the back here. The intent of that is to get a nice high grip and to help with the recoil. Okay, it's not for slide bite or anything like that. And lastly is the overmolded panels and the ergonomic grip on here. Okay, you have a rubberized back and front of the grip, so it's a nice rubberized feel that really grips into your hand when you hold it. Okay, so you're not going to have a lot of movement of the firearm when you're shooting. Alright, let's take a look at how to install this grip module on your Sig P320. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and we're going to break down this Sig, and we're going to put this Mirzon enhanced frame on it. So let me show you guys how you do that. So let me take some of these things off of here. I'll get rid of the light. Okay, the slide, we'll get rid of that. Firearm is clear. We'll flip our tab here, release, set the slide aside. Alright, now we're going to take out the trigger assembly, so we're going to remove that. And to get the trigger assembly out, the easiest way I found to do it is to just push up and forward on the trigger. Kind of pops it right up, and then you slide it right out. Okay, so we're going to set the original frame aside, and we're going to get this trigger assembly installed into this. So the easiest way I found to do it is to put the trigger into the trigger hole first, bring these two tabs down and back, and just press it into place. Okay, so that's it. That guy is in. We'll go ahead and we'll get this pin back in, kind of work it in there a little bit. It takes a little effort. Okay, so we'll go ahead. Alright, so that guy is now in. We'll flip that down, get our slide back on. Okay, lock that back in, get our light back on. Okay. Alright, there you have it. Alright, that's all I got for you today, guys. So that's your Mirzon Sig P320 enhanced grip module. If you're interested, head over to that website and go pick yourself up one. Until next time, get out there and keep shooting, and we'll see you in the next video.